If we have a React component that looks like this, when it's first rendered, React will render it to something called a virtual DOM. This is a tree-like structure similar to the DOM from the browser, and React stores this virtual DOM in memory. Since this is the first render, React will create the virtual DOM and the virtual DOM nodes from scratch. After that, React will create real DOM nodes for the browser based on the virtual DOM. Then the browser will repaint the screen so the user can see the updates. For code that looks like this, if we click on the button after the initial render, because this is a state change, it will trigger a re-render. This will only re-render the component that has been updated to a new virtual DOM instance. React then compares the new virtual DOM instance to the virtual DOM that was first created. After React figures out the differences between both virtual DOMs, it will apply these changes to the real DOM, and then the browser will repaint the screen.